In the layout, maybe it's not that thin, not that flexible, not that even. Because we're using a whole bunch of different materials, we still give ourselves the chance to create a quality product. It will still look beautiful and cool.
Has it ever happened that you overfelted it?
No, that never happens. I mean, only if you left the machine running all night.
Just program the movement.
If only there was one that could move around, like those robot vacuums. You know, you just set it up, it would buzz around, you felt it, go to sleep, and when you wake up, everything's already done. Well, look here. Let's turn it inside out now. This hat, and actually these things in general, remind me of the movie The Great Gatsby. You know, where all those beauties were walking around, all in berets, right, and in some kind of furs, all like denipiera. They also had these kinds of hats, right, and some kind of little dresses. This is just a very girly style. It's really all about girls, super girly.
Well, that's just great.
Like the Queen of Shamak.
You look so alive.
So here it is, our brand new hat. Again, it's all very exciting. I want to turn it inside out and see how it turned out. See, look how cute it is. And here it's all gold and diamonds. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. So beautiful. We're achieving two goals that are very important for beginners. We're learning how to lay things out. And in any case, we end up with a good finished product. So that someone who's just starting out doesn't get discouraged after the masterclass. The main thing is for the person to end up with a great piece, get inspired and say, wow, I did it, I can do this, and I want to keep going. That's the most important goal of the masterclass.